Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fit VW Golf Wing mirror glass. Start by confirming mirror type and buying the correct glass replacement. Remove the mirror housing cover using a plastic pry tool, then carefully detach the old glass. Clean the backing plate with alcohol, inspect wiring for heated pins, and let cleaner evaporate. Use proper adhesive pads or glue, align the new glass precisely, and press firmly according to adhesive instructions. In this video, I will show how to fit VW Golf Wing mirror glass. Carefully remove the old glass by sliding the plastic pry tool behind the mirror edge and releasing clips one side at a time. If glass is broken, wear gloves and eye protection while clearing shards. Check the mounting plate for bent clips or damaged heater pins and straighten or replace parts as needed. Clean surfaces thoroughly before proceeding with installation. In this video, I will show how to fit VW Golf Wing mirror glass. Quick recommendation: if you are working on your car and want it smelling great afterwards, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a sharp, long-lasting scent that hides workshop odors. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to fit VW Golf Wing mirror glass. First, test fit the replacement mirror to confirm proper size and heated pin alignment. Apply manufacturer-recommended adhesive pads or glue to the backing plate, avoiding excess that could squeeze out. Reconnect heater pins if present, then align the glass and press firmly into the clips until you hear a snap. Allow the adhesive to cure per instructions before adjustment or driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.